Hello everyone, my name is Anthony Budd, and today I'm going to give you a very brief video on a project I've just released called Laravel Lite. Sometimes clients pay me to make very simple APIs that might only have like one or two endpoints, things like listening for a webhook or responding to like an OAuth callback or something. And for these applications, a full Laravel installation is kind of overkill. And although there is projects like Laravel Lumen, even those aren't lightweight enough for me in these circumstances. So Laravel Lite contains all of the Illuminate components for HTTP routing and requests and Eloquent ORM, but essentially none of the other components. To demonstrate this app in real life, just simply clone the repository, copy the env, run the composer install. We're going to do a docker compose up, and that's going to spin up the PHP container. And we can even use a composer to test it as well. We have PHP unit set up as well. So good, everything's been cloned, set up, and working fine. There is a file called request.http, and actually first I'm going to show you the code base. All the code for this is stored in src, and it's stored in the app.php file. When you clone it, there'll be two example routes, a get route and a post route. I have also included a subdirectory called models with example model.php, and this is just to demonstrate that Eloquent has been set up and is working. But it's important to remember that there is no persistence with this. This project doesn't come with any database connections or anything like that. You have to set that up yourself for your own use cases, but the actual ORM itself is set up working with this project. So the get endpoint will just return a bunch of just unsaved models, and the post endpoint will look for the name property in the request. If that name property isn't provided or it's not a string, you'll get a 422 error. And if the name property is provided, it will again return a unsaved model as a JSON response, and the name property will be set to that. So let's quickly test that out. I'm going to use the send request, and as expected, we've got an array of models here and with the name property set. Now I'm going to use the post endpoint, and again, as expected, we send the name is test flight, and the name we got back from the request was test flight. So again, this is a very simple demonstration of it, but as you can see, it's only designed to do very small, very specific tasks. This isn't for building large SaaS applications. This is just for, I need a Docker container which is running PHP using Laravel and can respond to like very basic requests.